Hey guys, my name is Evan and I'm here at the Mosaic community, which is located in Mason, Ohio. This is a new community by Traditions Group and it is absolutely beautiful. When it's all said and done, there's going to be over 100 homes here, from ranch style homes to townhomes as well. There's going to be 9+ acres of green space, 5 lakes. There's going to be bars, restaurants, shops, all within this community, and there's really an emphasis here on single floor living. All of them are going to be maintained. The landscaping is going to be maintained by the community. There is an HOA fee for that, but you will see how beautifully landscaped these homes are. Each of them come with their own private courtyard-like area. Today, I'm going to be showing you the model home, and I'm not sure if any other agent has actually done this yet. They are kind of, sometimes they don't want people to be filming in there. So thank you to Traditions Group for allowing me to film this and show you guys this today. It's an absolutely beautiful home. When we get to that portion of the video, I'm just gonna play it with some music because I don't want to take away from the beauty of the home. They really paid attention to the details in these homes. you're thinking about a move to Cincinnati, or maybe you already live in Cincinnati, but you're looking for an upgrade, or you're looking to downsize, this is definitely the community for you. They offer everything from 2 to 4 bedroom homes. Like I said, there is an emphasis on single floor living. However, a lot of them have basements, and you do have the option of fully building those out. The model home that I'm going to show you is fully built out, and it is beautiful. And there's 2 bedrooms down there on the basement level as well. I'm gonna show you around, like I mentioned, there's lakes, but I wanted to show you or talk about the area around Mason. So if you guys have not been to Mason, or you're not familiar with the area, there's so much to do. This is such a growing area. A lot of people that come here to work for, like Procter & Gamble, for example, move here. There's private and public golf courses nearby. You're minutes away from I-71 and I-75. You're about 20 miles from downtown Cincinnati, so you're not like super in the thick of all the hustle and bustle of the city. But if you want to go down there to see a Reds game, Bengals game, maybe do some dining, that is definitely an option. You're not too far away. Just hop on the interstate. And you have 5 regional malls within 20 minutes of this location, the Mosaic here in Mason, including Kenwood Town Center, which is a huge mall that has every shop you could think of.